Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will share 3 Canva apps that are available for Canva free users as well. There is a part 1 of this video as well where I shared 3 more Canva apps, make sure to check that out as well. So, let's get started. The first app I'm going to talk about is TypeGradient. You can use this app to add gradients to your texts in Canva which was previously not possible. Let's see how to use this app. First, let's add some text to our canvas. Next, go to Apps and search for TypeGradient and open the app. This is the interface of TypeGradient app. In the main text section, you add your text on which you want to apply gradient. Under Font section, you can change the font of your texts. There are many fonts that you can choose from. Here you can see the preview of your text. In this section you can align your text to left, center or right if you have multiple lines of text. Here you can adjust the spacing between different lines of text. In the gradient section, you can change the colors of the gradient. Let's say if I want to change this light blue color, I will change it by clicking on the same color circle here. Similarly, you can change other colors too. You can also add more colors to your gradient by clicking on the empty areas and add as many colors you want. If you want to delete any of the color, you can click on the point and just click on delete. Let's change the text to something else and apply a gradient to it. Once you are happy with your gradient colors, you can change the position and angle of the gradient by using these handles. To add this text to our design, click on Add to Design. If you want to make any changes to this gradient, you can simply do it on the left sidebar and click on Update Element. The element will be automatically updated on our canvas. So this was all about TypeGradient app. Let's move to our next app which is called Colorize. This app automatically adds colors to black and white images. To use this app, again go to Apps and search for Colorize. Open this first app. Here you will just need to upload your image and it will automatically add colors to your black and white images. Let's upload an image here and see what results we get. As you can see, the results are really amazing. Here you can see black and white image and compare it with colorized version. This is really amazing. Now, let's move to our third app which is called Image Upscaler. You can use this app to upscale your images by 8 times. It does really great job in restoring small size images. To use it, again go to Apps and search for Image Upscaler. Open this first app. Here, upload the image you want to upscale. I have already downloaded a low quality image. You can see the size of the image is really small. Here you can select any of these values. The size of the image will be multiplied by the value you choose. Let me show you the quality of the image before upscaling it so you can compare it later with the upscaled image. As my image size was really small, I will use 8 times and click on Upscale Image. You can see the difference between the quality of both images. This app has done really great job in upscaling the image size and restoring its quality. So these were 3 amazing Canva apps that you should be using and they are available for free Canva users, which is a bonus. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.